Hello boys and girls, so this is Mohit Agarwal here and amazing video for my lovely CMA Inter students. Yes, we are back with CMA Inter Test Series 2.0. As you all know that whoever attempted our CMA Test Series, the first test series that we launched in the last term, it was a grand success. 90% students who enrolled for the test series, we have the data that they have cleared. 90%, more than 90% students who enrolled for our test series, they had cleared it. Okay, so launching CMA Inter Test Series 2.0. Question papers will be strictly as per CMA exam pattern. What are the attributes of this test? I'm going to keep the video short. Within 3 minutes, I'm going to complete it. Okay. Question paper will be strictly as per CMA exam pattern. If the CMA exam pattern changes, our question paper will also change. You don't worry about that. Okay. So just enroll. Just enroll for it. You know why? Because we are not only going to give you the question paper, but we are also going to take the answers from you in a scanned manner and we are going to print it, we are going to evaluate it. Respective subjects, faculties will be evaluating the paper personally, including me, myself will be personally evaluating your answer sheets. Okay. And since we have a team of great eminent faculties, me myself taking up your law audit and accounts, and then we have Gaurav Kabra sir taking up your cost and FM, we have Vikram Biyani sir taking up your taxation part. So we have the eminent faculties for all the 8 subjects, right? So students' answer sheet, they will have to scan and mail us and will be evaluated by respective subjects faculties and will be marking as per strictly institute's guidelines. Okay. And all the question paper that you enroll for will be sent to you before 30th of April. Okay, maybe before that, by 30th of April it will be sent to you once you enroll for the test series. And make sure you are enrolling it for very fast. You are enrolling it absolutely in super fast mode, because we are going to accept only 500 students enrollment, and normally I see that whenever I announce the slot of 500 test series students gets completely filled up just in 3 to 4 days. Okay, so make sure that you are enrolling in 3 to 4 days. Fees is very nominal compared to the quality that you are going to get for the test series, the quality of the question, the evaluation. This time we are also going to have the Zoom session with our CMA Inter Test Series enrolled students so that we can highlight what mistakes they made after evaluating their papers. So the mentorship is also there, the test series is also there, evaluation is also there. Your mistakes will be highlighted, so the same mistake you do not repeat in the main exams. So fees is very nominal, it's just 17.99 for entire 8 papers. My recommendation is that if you are appearing for both the module, go for both the module test series, or if you are appearing only for mod 1 or module 2, then go for particular module instead of going for individual test. Okay, go for entire module or both the module. And you will be given ample time to submit the answer. Okay, 10th May, by 10th May you can submit your answers for module 1 and 20th May for module 2. 10 days extension is also given free of cost for submitting the answers. So 10-day extension is also given free of cost, which means module 1 you can submit by 20th May and module 2 you can submit by 30th May. We'll be checking and giving you back your answer sheets within 3 to 4 working days. Okay, so this is amazing announcement. How to book the test series? Either you can mail us at d2hclasses@mohitsir.com. This is our official mail ID, d2hclasses@mohitsir.com, or the simplest way to book the test series is just go to the new website www.meplclasses.com. You'll have to write the full domain, www.meplclasses.com. In that you need to select the test series. Just select the test series in the stores. Go to stores, select the test series, and after selecting test series, go for CMA Inter, and you can find these test series options available over there. Okay, so make sure you enroll within 3 days as soon as possible, because we are only accepting the limited seats. Okay, we are having only limited seats. Chalo, take care, all the best. And yes, absolutely, the revision marathons, the questions, practice, etc. will be uploaded on YouTube as we did in the last term. Okay, take care, bye bye, lots of love.